We all browse the internet every day and there are several things we can all do to make navigating the internet a little easier. In this video, I'll show you 10 tips and tricks for use on the internet that some of you may already know along with some that you wish you knew sooner. Most of these tips and tricks will help to increase your productivity and I'll show you some fun stuff as well. Number 1. Bring back that tab you accidentally closed. If you type by mistake, don't worry, you can bring it back by simply pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus T and get back to what you were doing. You can press plus Shift plus T to bring back a closed tab if you are on Mac. Number 2. Multiple monitor control, window snapping, and cycling through open windows. If you are using multiple monitors, pressing the Windows key plus arrow keys will quickly snap a window to the side of either monitor. You can also hit Shift plus Windows key plus arrows if you want the window to jump to the next monitor, but if you want to quickly set up a second display or projector, press Windows plus P. Number 3. YouTube keyboard shortcuts. You can save time navigating YouTube with keyboard shortcuts. Apart from pressing the space bar to play or pause a video, you can also press K. Holding down either of these keys also places the video in slow motion. Pressing the shunya, 0 key on your keyboard will jump to the beginning of a video while the end key goes to the end of the video. The home key also works for jumping to the start of a video. Pressing J and L will step forward backward 10 seconds while M works for mute. Pressing the F key switches between full screen and normal mode while hitting escape exits full screen mode. Number 4. Find your Wi-Fi password. If you forgot your Wi-Fi password, Windows makes it easy to retrieve. Go to Network and Sharing Center and right-click on the Wi-Fi network connection icon, Wireless Properties. Under the Security tab, you should see a password box with dots in it. Click the Show Characters box to see the password appear in plain text. Number 5. Emoji keyboard. No matter the topic, there's probably an emoji you can use to represent it. To access your emoji keyboard, press the Windows key plus, period, or Windows plus, semicolon, on Windows. Comment down if you know more tricks. For more tricks, like and subscribe.